This is what we have. Don't throw this away. It's very important. Pin it and keep it, because that's what you are going to use to cut another one. So this is the front pattern now that I've cut. This is what we have. So you make sure you pin it and keep it somewhere. So now to get to the back, I just folded this into two. So I'm just going to bring this here, put it on top, place it on top. I want it bigger because I want zip allowance. So that's why I'm dragging it the way you saw me. So this is it. I've put the zipper allowance. Then you relax this one like this. Make it equal here. So this is what we have. This is what we have. So now we are going to trace this same shape here. Just trace it for now. So when you trace it from this neck, you take it straight like this. Take it straight. So these other places, cut exactly what is there, just like this. So this is what we have. For this back, I don't want it to just be like this. So I want it low. At least I want it to be low. So I'll just take 1.5 inch down. Just a little bit is okay for me. 1.5 inch. I'll just take it and just try to connect it to that point. Remove the upper one so that you will not cut it by mistake. So I'll just connect it. This is what I have. Okay. This one. So let me just make all this place equal. So this is what we have. This is the back pattern, this is front pattern. So this is what we have. So it's either you use lining to cut this, but if you have pieces of the fabric, you can use it to cut the back too, so that it will be two. But for now, the back is not my concern. Let me make sure I cut the front pattern, the pleating at the front. That's what I want to cut now. So now I just put my random pieces that are here. I want to cut that front pattern. So this is the one I removed from that middle part of the front. So I'll just place it here, just like here. But this time it has a line here, like joining here. It's separated here. Make sure they're separated here this time. So you place it like this. Place it. I just added small allowance here just to fold this one. So just do it like this. Place it like this. So now what you have here is 6. So you are aiming for 12 or even 13. You are doing times 2 of this, times 2 of this one that you have here. So note, you are doing times 2 of this one that you have here. This is from here to here is 6. So you are aiming for 12 here. You are aiming for 12. So our 12 ends here. What I mean is from here to here is 6. So you are aiming times 2. 6 plus 6, that's 12. So you just take 12. My 12 ends here. So I mark where it ends. That's it. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to be adding 1 inch to this one here, because that is where I'm going to fold and put my rope. So that's why I'm adding 1 inch at the upper part. So you mark it, your 1 inch, you mark it, you mark it. So you shift this one forward as you are moving. Shift it forward 1 inch. You can actually draw it straight. So you shift it to the end part. This is where it comes. Shift it to the end part, and this is what you have. So now when you shift it to the end part, you follow the curve of here. Follow how curvy here is. Follow it up like this. Then you come here. Slow this. You cut this. Straight. Then you just open this place. So this is what we have. So these are our new front now. We are going to throw this away. This is our new one, and we are not doubling it, it's just one. Don't double it, it's one. To make the pleating to stay well, to lay properly, it's just one. So this is what we are going to be using to replace that one, but this time around it will have pleating with it, but with a folding at the up. You know, I added 1 inch, so we'll fold it at the up and we'll do like this. This is what we have. So now I want to cut the sleeve. This is just what I have, so I'm just going to fold it into 2, so that to give me 4. So this 4, I'm just going to do it like this. Then what this 4 gives me is 16 here, 16 here, then here 12. That's what it gives me. 12, 12, 12, 12. Then you cut it. I'm just going to tear this place. And this is what we have. This is the sleeve. Notch this place. I want to notch here so that it will serve as my upper part. So what I'm just going to do is to put elastic here and put elastic here. I want the hand big, and this is my hand. Strap. I want to cut the strap. I just need 2 straps, just 2. Just fold it. This is almost 1.5 inch. But I'm using it. You see how I will do it. I'll cut it like this. Then I'll tear it into 2 for the strap. This is the strap. So now I want to double the back, because I don't want to be in a situation whereby I'll be looking for lining. So I have extra fabric here, so why not just double it? So I want to double it. This is what we have. I have 4 now. So this is the back. So I want to work on the back now. So I told you I added extra allowance so that I'll be able to do all my opening in the front and the back. So that's why I just added, because if you say you want to be scattering it and cutting one separately, back separately, front separately, it will be very hard for you. So that's why I used to just do it like this, but I add extra allowance for all those excess. So this one now, I'll just raise one up, just one, then I'll just slit it for the back pattern. Just slit it a little. So now this one that I teared, is for the back. So the other one is for the front. Now this is the front pattern. So I'm just going to mark the middle, the midpoint. This is it. Just mark it like this. So you turn the back and you arrange it on your table, just the same way you cut it earlier. So now I want to join this one, this part that is not equal. This is one I cut earlier, so I want to go and join it. But before I join it, I'm going to weave this one first, then join it. This is what we have. I've joined it. I've joined this down part. So you just put them together. Then for the left slit, you turn it like this. When I put this thing on my body, this side is actually the left. So when you want to get the left side of your dress, just turn it like this. So now the next thing is to look for the midpoint, and this is the midpoint here. So I fold it. You can decide to mark it, but I know what I'm doing. So you do like this, so you'll be able to get to the midpoint. From this beginning, you can measure 4 to be able to know where to fold from. Let's do this like this. Do it like this. Make it straight. Make it very straight, like this. Then you cut it totally.